Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at some examples of the Mark 13 Mod 0 diversionary, or what may be known as flashbang type of grenades or hand grenades. So these versions here don't have the spoons that would normally run down this side here, but they still have pins applied to them. These are inert examples. And normally you can see here the holes where the pin would hold the spoon against tension of this striker, which as you see has a pretty significant spring against a primer. And that would actually give you the option to pull the pin, but still keep the primer from activating while holding the spoon. But once you release the spoon, the primer fuse will activate, and you would have to dispose of this before the fuse would actually fire the main item itself. But in this application as shown here, and now I don't have a lot of knowledge on this, but without the spoon, as soon as you pull the pin, you have no way to control the fuse. So it is basically pull the pin and throw. So let's take a quick look at these. You can see these are used examples literally with actually some actual heat damage to them. All of them do not have the spoons, but have had pins reapplied with the the foldable cotter pin assembly folded in place. Freely rotates. Give you a look at the markings. They're all pretty much the same. And you see here how they are fired and that little bit of corrosion because they are subject to pretty intense heat during the moment. And these still have significant weight, but when they did have the actual material through the core and the inside, there would even be increased weight to them. Very hard steel metal. Here, let's do a quick magnet test on the components. Let's see what we got here. Right here, I'm getting a very significant magnetic hit actually on the center assembly. Body itself, pretty good actually, and even the core. So they did a pretty good job on the alloy, not having a high magnetic hit, but again, up here, definitely that has a magnetic hit on the top portion. But taking a very quick look at some examples of the Mark 13, a vintage now version of the diversionary, kind of a flashbang type of hand grenade. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out our show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a selection of book review media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.